I can get that in. I think you guys agree that this is the way we want to go. I can go ahead and get the inside of the bed wrapped up. Welcome back to the workbench, where we try to make things. And we're continuing to try to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit they put out a while back that we are doing a lot different. If you'd like to get caught up on those differences, there's a link down in the description where you can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is building out the inside of the bed. So we're trying to fill out the bed with all the stuff that's got to go in there. It's quite a bit. And what I did in between yesterday and today, well, was kind of finish out the floor of the bed. So we built the bed of the floor. Now it's got the finishes that are going to go on it. So let me pull our air ride out, and you can see, well, straight off from the top side, we've got the carpet going in. So I started flocking it. And then on the back side, you can see it's painted body color. What I did, the best way I found to do this, by the way, was I sprayed the top, well, let me rephrase. I sprayed the whole thing in filler primer, and then went back and sprayed black on the top, and then sprayed the color, the body color on the bottom, because I didn't really care if a little bit of that body color got on the black. It's not that big a deal because I knew we were going to be flocking it. And then I came back and flocked it, so just glue, your white glue, and then the flocking. It is still wet, so I'm still trying to kind of, yeah, there we go, and kind of push it down. So I need to be careful with it, is what I'm saying. I literally just finished it before I started filming. But I think that it looks pretty good. And in fact, let me put this back in. Oh, and I wanted to mention I did not notch. So I was going to notch the tunnel here for the air ride setup, because it won't fit with our panel in the back. And I didn't do that for a very important reason that I didn't even think about. And well, that very important reason I didn't do it was I forgot. I forgot to put the notch in there before I put all the finishes on. But I don't think it's going to be a bad thing, because now that I start looking at this, just like it is, so with all the body color and with the carpet and the black and I don't know if I want to put the panels in with leather wrap. Like it's really clean looking like this. So my thought is, and this is where I want to get your guys' input and see what you guys think. Do we go ahead and go the way we're going, where we were going, where we're going to put the panels from the Bronco? This is the back panels from the Bronco. They're going to be like a bed liner in there around the outside, and I was going to do them leather wrapped, like a leather wrap color. And then we have this beauty panel that we were going to leather wrap that actually goes, I can go ahead and sit it in there. It goes right here. And then we have this panel that goes on top that we were going to do body color to kind of cap it all off. Or just looking at it the way it is right now, do we paint this beauty panel body color? Let me lift it up so you can kind of see how that's going to look. Paint this one body color, right? That's going to be right in here. And then again, do this one, which will reshape and resize and everything to fit in here without the panels, body color. And I think that would look really clean. I think that might look cleaner. I know my whole original thought was to continue the interior of the cab all the way into the bed, but I don't know. I think I like how it looks. And plus, if we did that, the notch that's not there won't matter, because the air ride actually fits as it is like that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Man, yeah, I really like how this looks. I like the black. Against the whatever, I don't remember what the name of this color was, but this burgundy whatever, the body color. I just like I really like how that looks. And I think if this was body color, and then we had a kind of a partial tonneau cover or beauty panel or whatever that's going to be sitting here, that's body color, I think that's going to look really clean. Now, the other thing we got to keep in mind too is I need to work in our sound system, so the electronics of the sound system, so amps and whatnot. And my original thought, I have this little this little amp. I'm not going to use this. I think what I'm going to do is do one big amp, like a big long amp, like it's a 5-channel or whatever. I was thinking about trying to make it look like a Macintosh. I thought that would be really, really cool. I did the yellow cones on the speakers so that they like kind of look like focals, and like we're doing a sound quality system, like an SQ system. But anyways, I would originally thought about kind of working in the amplifiers up top here, but I don't know if I want to kind of dirty that up, kind of mud it up. I like how this looks, just carpeted. So maybe we'll put them. Maybe we'll go on the sides of the. I don't know. Maybe we'll go. I was thinking maybe we could go here, but I don't know about that either. I thought about going on the front side of here, but then that muddies the view. I mean, really, the only place to go, or we incorporate them in the cab somehow. Maybe well, we've got ports that are coming in here, but maybe we could go along. We could put the amp in along the top of the back wall here, something like that. That could work. And then the ports would probably. Let me see how they line up. I've kind of, because our ports are going to be are actually going to be kind of down low. They're actually going to be behind the seats, which is perfect. The ports coming, because the ports in this box are going to extend through into the cab, which will be part of the the beauty panel on the back of the cab. So yeah, maybe we have the ports down there, and then we'll put our amp. I was thinking probably just like I said, one kind of big amp, and then maybe like a DSP or something, just to give the idea that there's a sound system going on. We'll run wires out of it and make it look, make it like a clean install. But I think that might be what we do, just to keep, because the bed is starting to get a little crowded, and that's why I think it looks better without the panels. Maybe let's just go do away with that, and then just go to the beauty panels. And then if I did that, I can pull these. I can clean it up a little bit, the beauty panel. I won't have to have these little pieces here. These were all parts that were covering. It actually covered this. These parts here of the interior panels, so I could get rid of that and just make it a lot cleaner. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think, but I think that's the direction I'm going to go. I do think that I really like how it looks. Let me know what you think again. So for the weekend, what I've got to do, I'll wait and read your comments and see what you have to say. If you guys agree, I think I'm going to go ahead, and I can go ahead and paint this beauty panel, because it's ready. It's good to go. This one's actually correct. I can finish out the carpet. Hopefully it'll get dried up. Let that dry and cure there. I'll reprint this, get it painted, and I could actually get. I think I'm gonna end up reprinting the air ride setup, because I've handled it so much. The body color stuff has gotten kind of smudged and whatnot. So I think I'm going to reprint it so I can repaint them and clear them and make it look just as good as the body. But that can go. I can get that in. I think you guys agree that this is the way we want to go. I can go ahead and get the inside of the bed wrapped up. What I'll do, before I start installing everything, I'm going to polish all this out. I think our clear should be cured enough for that, so I can start polishing it out. And then it won't be anything to get that done. So I think I might also have time to actually start working on and building out the rear end and getting it how it needs to be. And basically all that's left on it is getting the wheels to work. So whatever I've got it. So I know I started working on this side to get the wheels to attach, because this rear end's from a different kit than the wheels are from, so they don't work together. The holes aren't the right size. But anyways, getting that all to work and fit in. And I can also, so I'll get the rear end in, I think, and suspension and whatnot. I think that'll be the next. So I'll start working on the airbags and all that. But first things first, I want to finish out the back of the bed. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about going a little bit more simple and not having the panels back there and all the leather and all that stuff, and just going a little more simple like this. Let me know what you think. I want to hear what you have to say down, or enjoy hearing what you have to say down in the comments section. Let me know. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with this build, and the notification bell and all that. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I'm going to get this bed wrapped up, so I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.